Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you are watching me. My people, you are highly welcome. My people, it don't happen, it don't set. Hey, they say wahala, they finish. Oh, my people. My people, nothing may we not see for this world. Oh, my people, since they happen for this life. Oh. My people, why I dey like to bring people story make me and you telling, especially single mothers out there. Abeg, you be single mother, you need to watch this our sister story. E go open your memory, e go open your brain, and you will get more experience. My people, since it dey happen for this life, me I no waste una time at all. May we hear this our sister story. My people, abeg, help me share this video. If you not fit dey help me dey share video before, share this one. This one dey important, my people. Things e dey happen. My people,
Why you contacted me. Thank you for the opportunity to come here today, come share my story. I beg, help me share this story. My people, this two are the talk self shame they catch me to come here, come talk am because it no easy for me, it no easy. Now my story go like this. My mother get belle for me when she small. In fact, she did JS2 when she carry my belly born me. Then my mother, as she knows, say na small pikin she dropped me for my mama, my grandpapa, and my grandmother for village. Now for village I did. From there I can't grow up with them, can't learn fashion design. My mother later come meet this good man. The man did very nice, man, come marry my mother. As the man married my mother, because the man already knows say my mother get me for village. Sometime I dey come stay with my mother, then for Lagos I will go back. So one day like that, time don't day, my mother don't marry her husband. The husband come day one day, come tell my mother say, may they allow me come Lagos, come stay with them. I can't tell my mother say, mommy, this why I say I come Lagos, come stay. No say I dey learn fashion design for village. My mommy say, no worry, the husband say I come for Lagos. Her husband say you should come. Yes. Now so I come back from village, come Lagos, say they need assistance for the house. At least I go help them do house shop, wash clothes, take care of the house, stay with them. From there, they go help me to I go continue my fashion design. When I come for the house, I don't feel life on her. My mother husband, they very nice. In fact, he accepts me. They take care of all my clothes, food, everything what I need. Phone, he buy me new phone. They take care of me well. So my mother said, "Come, they happy. Come say, child, God, thank you." Say the husband accept she and her daughter. But my mother no know say behind this help what this man they give, say get intention where they behind. Now I come they stay with my mother with her husband. Now so after a while, the man go stay, come they touch my hand, she go they touch my body, go want touch my breast. I come they stop him. I will say that they stop. But this thing continue. And my mother, I no even go there because of the way the man accepts me and my mother accept me. The way the man they treat me, they take care of me. Now one day, body no be firewood. I don't know what thing happen. Now so I just did. The man come they touch the way they touch. Something I never do before as a virgin where I be. Now so I can't give him. Can't do this thing with the man. The thing sweets me. Now so we can't continue. They do this thing. You started sleeping with him. Your mother's husband, your stepdad. Yes. Now so the thing can't sweet me. I can't they do this thing, they do this thing. We don't they do this thing, they do the thing. I can't carry first belly. The man now I can't see say the way the thing. My mother said mine no go there. No even say me looking daughter or ask question. My mother just free her mind, say, nothing there between us. When the man don't see say the thing they go, he can't rent house for me. Now the house are there inside thing now. Now I can't there for that house. We see they come with the knack. What did you tell your mom before you move out of the house? I tell her say, he kept person I deal with. So the person say, make her come stay with him. He won't marry me. That's what I tell my mother. Now I can't move out, can't go to the new house. From there, I can't get belly, come born. When I born, now 2 twins girls are born. For your stepdad? Yes, for my stepdad. My mama never born for a husband, no, all this time. The man come happy, come they take care of me, buy me things. Mother come vex, come say, why I made this kind of mistake? The same mistake where she make for me, she not plan this kind of thing for me. Who be the person will give me belly? I can't tell my mother, say this person will give me belly. He denied the picking, leave me. My mother come they cry, they vex. I can't say, mommy, no worry, God day. I no talk, we still day. Your husband go come, me and him go meet, we go nap, we go stay. Now my mother come dey pray, dey worry how she go take get pikin. So the extent she come, people come advise her make she go do IVF. My mother come tell the husband make dem do IVF. But my mother husband, because he don't get pikin with me, no gree. No be say no get the money for the IVF, but because for him, he don't get pikin for outside, no gree to pay the money for my mother. My mother come dey cry, dey beg God, say which kind of wahala be this? Make God help and get pikin for the husband. My mother no still get pikin. Now so my stepfather still dey come, one dey do. 2 years after I born those twins, he still dey come with dey do. The 3rd year for my children, I come carry belle again. Come around, my mother won't die. She come dey cry. They say who go marry me with plenty children. For who again? For my stepfather. Now my mother come dey worry, dey cry. Say which kind wahala be? In fact, this time around, she wants see the person wey give me the belle. She can't even worry, so they make her give her the person number. Make she call the person. Say even if the person no get money to marry me, she will have money, make sure say the person marry me with the children. I no fit give her the number because now my stepfather and I be the father of those children. My mother come dey cry, they worry. I no still talk. Things come still they go well. My stepfather still they come. They take care of me and the children. We still they knock. They go. Now one day I don't know wetin happen. My stepfather come get accident. You were still pregnant when he get accident? No, I born the second children. Twins again, 2 boys. You born second children? Twins, 2 boys? Yes. The first one now waiting? 2 girls, twins. Not only twins? I don't just know. Now I have to born the 2 children finish. A year later, I don't born the 2 twins. My stepfather can't get accident. I don't know what's happened. We can't die. The man? Yes. Things come hard for me at the same time to things hard for my mother. Because the village people can't come. The family of my stepfather can't they worry my mother. Because say they want to take my stepfather get money, no be small. He get properties, he get land, he get houses for different places. He get motor, he get everything. So since my mother no born for her, the family come they disturb my mother. Say me she come out for their house where she and her husband struggle, born together, buy together, because my mother been they work when she married the man too, so they contribute buy most of those things. Come they disturb her, say me she come out for the house. Come they worry her. And now my problem now I come meet you. Say me help me be say I don't want to see my mother suffer. She don't suffer too much for me. Are they confused now? Be say I don't know whether make I tell my mother the truth about my children. Say my husband get the children. Whether that one go make the family people leave my mother, ready to give all the children to my mother to make my mother suffer end. My problem now, I dey fear whether my mother go die if she hear the truth. So I don't know as I won't even tell my mother about the whole thing. When I make a write letter, I be make a call, I be make a call people follow me. Those children now, they with your mom? They with me. They with you? Yes. You and your mom, no, they live together? No, we never they live together. I still there for that house. My stepfather pay for me. But when the husband die, I come, they stay with her for some time. So now my problem is say, I want to take time my mother. I want me to advise me because I know.
My people, since it dey happen, una see why I dey like to bring people's story. Make me and you tell learn. My people, single mothers are their beg. You don't hear this our sister story, I beg. You get pikin, especially girl. You want go marry another husband. You want make the pikin follow you go marry, I beg. Put your eye down. This our sister, which advice you get for her? Wait, may it tell mother? How you will tell mother? How you will tell this one? 4 children, na husband, na mother husband, the stepmother na get am, and the stepmother father now in not their life again. My people, things if they happen, I bet me share this video. Drop your advice, drop your opinion. How you see this video? Things if they happen.